Don't you love it when a project starts to come to fruition? It's so satisfying to do this project. So stick around and I'll explain to you what I'm doing. Today, we're going to be getting into the first video on the plants that I'm selecting. I'm going to do a 90-second native on each of those plants, which you can watch another time. So click subscribe if you're interested in doing that. And I'll explain to you what kind of plants you can put into a frog pond that will help the frogs, and will also look after any tadpoles because they need places to hide from predators. So let's get straight into it with the first 3 plants in the water part of the frog pond. So first of all, you can see this is Bacopa monnieri, or the Brahmi Herb. You can see that it's floating there. It's actually fully submersible, but it also can just float, or you can have it in a pot. Oh, my pot's fallen over. And it has really pretty little white flowers. And it is also edible, which is fantastic. Now next I've got this Bogrush, which has these distinctive seed heads. Let me get that in focus. And those seed heads are loved by little birds, so hopefully having this around will bring in the little birds. And when it forms a proper clump at the base here, it'll offer a great place for small frogs to hide. It's actually a sedge. So, and you can tell because it has edges. Sedges have edges. Grasses and rushes around, sedges have edges, and grasses I can't remember. Now the third plant is your traditional lily pad here. This is a lily pad native to the area, and I'll put the scientific name in the description if you're interested. So the lily pad is going to help me attract all the pollinators because they love the lily pad flowers. And did you know that most species of lily pads are completely edible, which is also great. And we know frogs like to sit on lily pads, although the only species I've seen do that is the eastern sedge frog, which I haven't seen up here yet. Fingers crossed having a pond like this will bring them to me because I know they're in the area. That's it for today. Keep an eye out for those 90-second natives if you'd like to know more about each of those plants. I'll put the scientific names and the common names into the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time we get into it.